right, Pearl, we're getting ready to start another adventure, and I guess this will be another episode. So what do you think we're going to be doing today?
Well, we're going to take everyone, first of all, to Hershberger's.
Fry pies?
Yes, fry pies.
Fry pies.
And also lunch.
Fry pies for lunch?
Maybe dessert.
Maybe dessert. So when I say Hershberger's, what do you think?
I think fry pies also.
Yeah, we got fry pies are on the brains.
We love their fry pies.
So, okay, after we drooled all over the fry pies, where to next?
Yeah, then we're going to go to Heine's Cheese Chalet.
Ooh, cheese?
Yes, cheese.
Cheese? Well, that's because we bought wine, didn't we?
Yeah.
So we need some wine to go with our cheese?
We need some cheese to go with our wine.
Oh, that means samples.
I was just going to say samples of all their cheeses, and their cheese is so good.
Yeah, and they make it too. And then, all right, so after we've stuffed ourselves with burgers, fry pies, I don't think we eat any fry pies, and cheese, where are we going next?
We're going to go to this little town called Winesburg.
Oh, is that the one with the little store?
Yeah, there's this little like country grocery store. It's
okay.
I don't think we've ever
We've been filmed it.
And they have ice cream, we're thinking ice cream maybe.
Okay, that'll work.
So
and then are we gonna have and we'll have a trailer like, are we gonna have a room for dinner? Where are we going for dinner?
Berlin Farmstead Restaurant.
And that's near Berlin, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, Berlin Farmstead. Anyways, so that's what we're up to today. So sit back and enjoy. Away we go.
Busier than normal. Is that because there's nowhere else to go?
I think so.
Yeah, a lot of them. Oh, there's a spot.
Okay, we hopped in line and placed to order. And around back and wait for the food to come.
Ooh, a horse and buggy.
Clip, clap, clip, clap, clip, clap, clip, clap. I think it's more like a buggy limo.
Okay, Jim, I see my lips moving, but I don't hear any sound. What happened?
I don't know. Here we go again. All right, we're going to play it straight this time. Ooh, look at you. Aren't you pretty today? Anyways, we lost our sound. Oh, there's food.
Yeah, and we actually showed it.
Yep, we showed it.
And we probably talked about it.
Yep, and tater tots. Oh, tater tots.
Tater tots.
Yeah, and tater tots. Yep. Feed the goats with a conveyor belt while they're up on the roof. They love to be on that roof, and they'll actually help pull the belt up. Or you can go inside and pet the animals in their petting zoo. They have all kinds of farm animals in there. Oh yeah, they thinned it out in here. Well, it's all out there. Also find a variety of baked goods at Hershberger's. Ooh, fry pies. This is what we come for. Fry pies. Look around some more here real quick. They also sell a variety of meats and cheeses that are produced local to the area. They also sell a variety of canned goods and also some other packaged foods that are made in the area. That was funny.
That's funny.
I was getting orders and thought it was James. It was actually Amanda.
Okay, James is asking what flavors.
Three.
Oh, Amanda wants peach instead of lemon.
Okay, pull lemon out.
Her and I got the same thing again almost. Peach. Yeah, peach and blueberry.
Alright,
Alright.
that's that.
Yep. Okay, I think we got it.
Put the phone away and I'll let you take the box.
So you can
I got to pay too.
Is that all we're getting then?
Yeah. Yeah. Yep, we moved to our next location here today, and you got it. We're at Heine's Cheese Chalet. We love this place. So let's go see if we got samples out, which I doubt it due to the great unpleasantness. Yep, all the little sample jars are gone. Yep, stupid COVID even ruined Heine's. Heine's gets their milk from the local farmers. The milk is collected daily by truck in a refrigerated tanker and delivered to the cheese house. When you're outside, if you look above and behind the factory, you can see the top of a huge insulated silo where cool milk is stored for production. Heine's Cheese Chalet is home of Bunker Hill Cheese Company, one of the largest cheese houses. Here, 9 to 12 tons of cheese is made in a day.
That's where they store it?
They press it.
Press it.
Yeah, they squish these down and squeeze
'Cause
all.
there's some-
Over 25 varieties of cheese are made in this factory, averaging 50,000 pounds of cheese a week.
Oh, they're only $2.77. Like
That's not cheese. I know, but you always buy those here. Oh, okay, so it's okay.
yeah.
Normally when you come to Heine's, all this cheese that's on display here has samples, so you can taste every single variety of cheese, and that's what's so great about this place. You ready there, gorgeous?
Okay.
All right. Well, we got some of our shopping done. I'm feeling the need for some ice cream. Let's go to Williamsburg and see if we can get some ice cream. See, ice cream shop. Sundays. Turtle Sunday. We're on it.
Okay.
We're good. Now we'll go in. Oh. Thank you. These country stores are neat. Got a little bit of everything from food goods to hardware to rope to fishing poles to pizza to an ice cream shop. Woo! Well, looks like we lost the sound again. This Sunday was great, and while we were having our Turtle Sunday and sharing it, an Amish family pulled up and came in. Mom went in the shop. Tonight we're going to go to Berlin Farmstead Restaurant. I can read the sign and get it right this time. Anyways, we're going to have dinner here, and it was good the last time. We'll see how it is this time. the food is right. Definitely the salad's better than the last place. This still looks fresh. And there's the meatloaf, and the girl got salad action going over there. And the rolls are very good. I don't know. Yes, I am.
Okay.
Somebody drove his John Deere here.
I saw that. No, Jim, don't kiss a rooster. He might have COVID. You can hug it.
I'm gonna turn the air conditioning off.
Should we take to the doctor?
Probably just turn TV off too.
Yeah.
Not to herself.
It's crazy.
Okay, we're hunkered in the bunker here. Not a very good bunker, but power keeps going on and off. Well, everybody, we survived the storms. I'm gonna leave you with a beautiful night lapse. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.